If you're like most people, you probably don't think much about your health insurance. You know it exists and that it's there to protect you when you get sick. But what if I told you that you are relying on your company's health insurance policy could be a big mistake? Here are 4 reasons why relying on your company's health insurance is not a good idea. The very first reason is it only lasts till your company exists or you have a job. Also, according to 2015 trend survey, only 44% companies offered health insurance. So chances are that the next company might not have an health insurance in the first place. The second reason is when a company is facing a financial instability, which might reduce your health insurance coverage as a cost cutting measure. They might also ask employees to make a part payment of insurance coverage. The third reason is group insurance doesn't cover you during your retirement days. And to start an individual plan at the age of 60 isn't a great idea, to be very honest.